Our design approach is inspired by nature in every detail. In fact, our natural designs are scanned from nature through the meticulous sourcing of high-quality raw materials such as wood and stone. They are prepared in-house through color treatments and imperfection smoothing to reach our quality requirements before being scanned.